I come from Buganda. And in Buganda, we have already defeated Museveni. Okay? We have defeated him, and he only relies on up country. He relies on northern Uganda. When he comes here and some people vote for him, then he comes and said, okay, they might not have voted me there, but in Karamoja, they voted me 100%. And then he votes. I want us to change that. Even in Busoga, I was in Busoga. I know many of you are on TikTok. You saw what happened in Busoga. You saw what happened in Busia. You saw what happened in Tororo. You've seen what happened in Lango. Now, I want to ask you, the people of Karamoja, to join us. Come and join us. Let us all join us and we win this. So, I'm calling upon all of you. Let us do this. Let us make this a revolution of the young people. I know we have our elders, we have our parents. They are looking at us. They are relying on us. They are having their hope in us. I want us to unite all the young people of Uganda, and we change this without shedding blood. We can change this through this very election now, today. No way no rokan ka tumuna ayini ya tamar wonda adang kimena le woni ibo okaluko mutuma lo apolo kana bo igicho itoke le woni anyara woni yakare ngeku ekeli pe adamar erumagina kan yakarugo ayela ki le gicholong ani ka na ki le gicholong pa pataner olorike